In this tutorial, I'm going to add a new feature to the Light Portal Marketplace. The first step we need to do is to create the schema definition for the hybrid framework in the model config folder. Let me show you what has been done. The new feature I'm trying to add today is an arrow management system. Basically, it's a runbook on the Light Portal Marketplace so that we can register all the Light Platform arrow code to the marketplace. And for each individual organization, they can create their own like organization-wide arrow code across all the applications, all the services they build. So for the DevOps team, they can go to the marketplace. If they see an error message in the log file, using the error code, they can search the resolution for that error. This is a runbook for the traditional monolithic application. But since we are working on a distributed system, one application you might have like numerous services as part of it, and all the error code coming from different locations. So it's easier we manage them in the same marketplace from Light Portal. Let's see how we add this to the marketplace. So within the model config repository, we have a market command and we have market query. First, let's take a look at the schema definition we put here. This is a create arrow. This is a create a new entry for the arrow. And you can see we have the handler defined like this, the version, and the scope is portal W, meaning you have to have write access to portal in order to create a new error code. It has host, error code, those two are the key information, and the status code, that's the HTTP response code, like 400, 200, something like that. Message is the message for the arrow. Description is the detailed description for the error message with some parameters maybe. Components is an array so that you can define, okay, for this particular arrow, like how many components can issue this arrow or emit this arrow. So the component will be either the platform itself or each individual application. Email, phone number, those two are the contact information. That's optional. For the public shared error message, these two fields might be just empty. But if this is within an organization, for a particular organization-specific error codes, there might be like a support team, email address and a phone number there, so that if the support guys see the error message, they can contact somebody to take some action. Severity, S1, S0, S1, S2, and S3. So severity is 0, meaning like it's an emergency. You have to take action immediately. S1 is basically is alert. You need to take some action, and S2 is critical, and S3 is just like a normal arrow. You need to investigate. Resolution, this will be a long markdown given for different root cause and how the developers or the DevOps team can do the investigation. This is another endpoint update arrow. So when you create a new entry, sometimes you might need to update something. So this update is very similar to the previous create using the same definition. This is the next one is delete arrow, meaning you have error code like created before and you want to remove it from this Light Portal. You need to pass in the host and you need to pass in the error code. Both of them are the key. So this is for the command, meaning you're updating the system to create a new arrow or update or delete an error entry. For the market query, you can see we have this get error by code. So this is a get a specific error message by the error code. And only one entry is going to be returned. For the input, you need to provide the host and the error code. This is a get error, meaning you're getting all the errors belonging to a particular host. You can provide a limit and offset. If you don't provide, the default one will be used. If you're using Light Portal, the Light Portal UI will provide the offset and the limit as a part of the pagination. So basically, we finished the schema definition, which is a specification for the API. If we want to add new features into the marketplace for both command and query. That's it. Thank you.